Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I wanted to do kind of like a full hair care routine showing products that I use. There are things that I do daily that has made such a big difference. Like my hair feels moisturized. I don't let it get dried out, which I feel like I used to. So we're just gonna talk about all that. So I have a brush for dirty hair. This is just an older brush. And so I use this on day when it starts getting like day 3, day 4, when my hair is noticeably getting pretty dirty. This one I just got a wet brush, and this is for my clean hair. So this is like right after the shower, and then maybe like day 1, day 2 hair. Also, I like to keep this one clean, so I'll keep all the hair out of it. I'll wash it with soap. Basically, I'll wash this one, I take care of it. I want it to be clean because I felt like when I was only using one brush, it got my hair to be a lot dirtier quicker. So now we're gonna go through the steps. So I'll take my dirty hair brush it really well, shampoo my hair only on my roots, and I shampoo twice. So I'll shampoo once because by the time I'm washing my hair is extremely oily. I try my best not to tangle it, like get it more tangled, but I make sure, I'm getting all the way down here. And then as you're washing out your hair, the shampoo is getting onto the rest of the hair. So you're still cleaning the rest of your hair, but you're just focusing the product up here. So I shampoo and repeat, and you will notice a huge difference in how your shampoo feels when you wash it a second time. The first time you're washing it, you're getting all the dirt, oil, and everything like that off your hair. But then when you use it a second time, you're letting the shampoo penetrate and actually do what it's says it does, and what it's supposed to do. The shampoo and conditioner that I use is Olaplex. I also have this by Cel. My mom gave me this and I really love it, and the ingredient list is outstanding. And then I'll probably get something different after, but I just kind of like to rotate through. I just think it's good to switch it up. I feel like when I first started using Olaplex, my hair was a lot drier. The first time I used this, I'll never forget. I literally, once my hair was dry, I'll feel like I just got a trim. A little bit goes such a long way. It's a concentrated product. Those are really great. It is a bonding shampoo and conditioner, so I probably do not need this. But if you are someone that dyes or bleaches your hair, uses a lot of heat or something like that, this is bond building technology. This one is probably a little bit more natural. There's a lot of really good essential oils in here. This is the micro stem shampoo and conditioner, and there is stem cells in here. So anything that says stem cells, it gets my attention. I was just reading through the ingredients and it is very impressive. So this is really good stuff, and it feels like silk in my hair. It smells amazing. It smells like essential oils. I will wash my hair once or twice a week. I shoot for once a week, and then I use the Olaplex Bond Smoother. This is a leave-in reparative styling cream, reduces frizz, nourishes, and protects. This is my 3rd bottle of this, but I have really loved this stuff. A little bit goes a long way. So I feel like if I use too much of this, it feels gross. It just feels coated. And I use the Olaplex number 7 bonding oil. Today I didn't put any in my hair because I just washed it last night, but maybe tomorrow or the next day I'll start to feel I just need a couple little, a little bit, and I'll just put it right in my ends. And at first it'll feel and kind of look like there's oil in it, but just give it a couple minutes because your hair will soak it up. Eventually I just started doing that to where it was okay, I think daily or every other day or whatever, you just need to put a little bit of something, give your hair at the ends a little bit of hydration, because your hair is not getting that from your roots, especially all the way down here. So I do not use dry shampoo. I just very rarely use dry shampoo because I found out like it's a lot of alcohol in it and like obviously drying ingredients. Like I used to use a ton of it. I used to use it every day. I also do not use heat. Thing that I have been holding off of doing is dyeing my hair. I've not been dyeing it, which I feel like has totally helped with the overall health of it. But when I dye it like a darker color, or just like say just brown, like I don't feel like it damages it that much. So something else that I don't do, I'll try not to do, is like high messy buns or high ponytails or things that are gonna like pull on my hair. I feel like if it is up, it's heavy. But also having a messy bun, like when I take my hair down, it feels super dry. So it's just not like a good position, I feel like, for your hair. It's just drying, damaging, it'll break your hair, it's pulling on your hair, it's not good for your hairline. Sometimes it does feel good to just get all your hair up off your head, or if I'm working out or whatever, like you need it off your neck sometimes. I'll just like wrap it around like a ballerina type bun. I will try to opt for lower buns, lower ponytails, and I braid my hair a lot. I had a friend tell me that boar bristle brushes are really good for when you need to get the oil from your scalp and kind of distribute it down through your hair. So I will take a boar bristle brush, and I will be showing it in the video, but I take it and I, when my hair is oily, you can do this for like days. So like the second you feel like there's oil on your roots, get a boar bristle brush, and you can start working that oil down your hair. Something that I swear by is collagen and plus biotins. I'm not taking it at the moment. When I have hair goals, like to grow out my hair, like I will take collagen. I think that's it.
Okay, so this is the day before I wash my hair. I like to do this at least once a week. Sometimes I don't. I'm doing an oil treatment, so I brushed my hair out really well, and my hair was super dirty this day. I am just taking my boar bristle brush and I'm working my natural oils down through my hair. Some weeks I just decide to go as long as I can, but some weeks I have, things I'm going to be out doing, and I'll wash my hair a little bit more often. But this is a good example of how dirty my hair will get. So I'm just working my natural oils down through my hair and sectioning it out to make sure I'm getting everywhere. And then I take my coconut oil. I mixed Olaplex with coconut oil. I just work it through my ends. I take it up to where my natural oils hit. So I don't put this in my roots. I will just work it through my ends and then take it up as high as like basically where my natural oils end. And then I'll brush it out to evenly distribute everything. And then as far as like styling it goes, I will put it in like a low bun, or I'll use a claw clip. The claw clip can get a little bit heavy, so this lasted only for like a little bit, and then once it starts to get too heavy, I'll braid it or, put it in a lower bun. So this is after I shower. So I think I'm showing my skincare because I do my skincare first and then I'll do my hair. Before I brush my hair, when it's wet, I'll put in leave-in conditioner, so it makes it easier to brush it out. And you don't want to use too much of the Olaplex. That was kind of a lot, but it ended up drying okay. And then I take my wet brush and gently brush it out, starting with the ends and working up. This brush is my clean brush, but I still brush product through with it, so that's why I like to wash it with soap. Usually I'll wash it before I brush my clean hair because I'll use this brush for a couple days. And then I take a little bit of oil and I put it through. So I have leave-in conditioner and oil, so I won't start oiling the ends of my hair till a couple days until my ends start getting dry. So if you feel like your ends are getting too dry in between washes, putting a little bit of oil in does not make it oily or dirty or anything like that. Your hair will drink it up and it won't look oily at all. And then I just let it air dry.
Please subscribe and I will see you in my next video. Bye.